Is your mind racing? Do you find it hard to focus or relax? Let's slow it down with some easy meditation techniques. Welcome, Wellness Warriors. Today, we're diving into the world of meditation, a practice that has been around for centuries and is known for its incredible benefits for the mind and body. Let's explore 3 simple meditation techniques that you can start practicing today. Ready to embark on this journey to inner peace? Let's begin. First up, we have deep breathing. This is one of the most basic yet powerful techniques. Find a comfy seat, close your eyes, take a moment to settle in, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently leaving your body. Repeat this 5 times. Feel that? That's calmness entering your soul. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your blood and calm your nervous system. Next, let's try body scanning. This technique helps you become more aware of your body and release any tension you might be holding. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Start by focusing on your toes. Wiggle them a bit to bring your attention there. Slowly move up, paying attention to each part of your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Feel the tension melt away as you focus on each part. Imagine a warm light traveling up your body, relaxing each muscle. Relaxing, isn't it? Body scanning can help you become more in tune with your physical self and promote relaxation. Finally, we have visualization. This technique uses the power of your imagination to create a peaceful mental space. Picture your happy place. It could be a beach, a forest, or anywhere that makes you smile. Imagine yourself there. Hear the sounds, smell the scents, bask in the serenity. Ah, pure bliss. Visualization can be a powerful tool to reduce stress and improve your mood. There you have it. 3 meditation techniques you can learn in just 5 minutes. Remember, practice makes peaceful. The more you meditate, the easier it becomes to find that inner calm. So take a few minutes each day to meditate. Even just 5 minutes can make a big difference. Your mind and body will thank you. Meditation can improve your focus, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Thanks for joining me on this calming journey. I hope these techniques bring you peace and relaxation. Keep practicing, stay zen, and see you next time. Remember, consistency is key. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Spread the calm and help others find their peace too.